In this dynamics tutorial, we're going to take a look at force. So I'm just going to set my project gravity to 0, dynamics gravity, 0 centimeters. I'm going to create a sphere and a smaller sphere. Call this S sphere, and call this large sphere. I'm just going to duplicate this a few times. Couple of copies. Okay. I'm going to apply a simulation tag, rigid body tag, to all these objects. Play back the simulation, and the objects are very slowly drifting apart. Next, I'm going to go to Simulate Dynamics, and I'm going to choose Force. So force basically gives every single object with a dynamics tag sort of gravity. So imagine these like planets, and they start to attract each other. So if I just play this back, we can see that these three spheres got attracted to the larger sphere because it has more mass, but this fourth sphere doesn't seem to be affected. That's because force has a distance setting, inner distance and outer distance. So if we increase the outer distance, it should start to affect our fourth sphere. And force by default respects mass, so if I make this large sphere the same size as the rest of them, then basically this sphere isn't leading the simulation anymore. They're all attracting each other equally. I'm just going to set this up slightly differently. And as you can see, no one object is dominating the scene. I'm just going to increase this outer distance, try and pull this one in here. There we go. Increasing the strength increases the attraction basically, so everything happens a lot quicker. Alternatively, we can make the strength a negative number, which means everything repels each other, which is quite interesting. And then we have the fall off setting. So by default it's set to inverse square, but we can choose something more linear. Just going to set that to positive 10. Damping obviously slows down the simulation a bit. So as you can see, damping at 11, nothing happens. It's probably too high. It adds basically something similar to air resistance. So that's a quick introduction to force. If you found this tutorial useful, please share it, and thanks for watching.